So let's go through the glossary of terms that I talked to you about in order to understand at a very high level what is Ethereum and get comfortable with the terms. So the first one is blockchain. As I discussed, a connected network of decentralized computers for storing digital transactions or data in a distributed way, in a decentralized digital ledger format. These data sets or transactions create blocks that are connected, linked with each other, like a chain. Look at my other videos wherein I discuss about why the term blockchain. We discuss use cases there. Ethereum, it is a public blockchain, a decentralized computer node network that supports implementation and execution of smart contracts on the chain. Smart contracts. There is a video on smart contracts out there which I have created. A self-executing program that is developed and deployed on a blockchain. These smart contracts are set for automatic execution when a predetermined or pre-agreed upon terms are met. For example, if you decide to have NFT or a piece of art transferred from party A to party B, when the buyer deposits $100,000. So as soon as you get 100,000 tokens or dollars on your contract, you would transfer that piece of art to the person. So it's an agreement. That is a smart contract. Again, as I said, there's a video out there, go look at it. Solidity. It's an object-oriented programming language for implementing smart contracts on Ethereum blockchain. Web3.js. It is a collection of libraries that allow you to interact with a local or a remote Ethereum node using HTTP, IPC, or WebSockets. In all of our courses, we'll be using WebSockets or HTTP. Next is cryptocurrency. It is a form of digital money that utilize the encryptions and consensus algorithms for generation of coins and tokens on a blockchain network. So Ethereum blockchain has its own digital money token or coin known as Ether. Blockchain Bitcoin has its own token known as Bitcoin, right? So those are tokens or coins generated in order for running it or distributing it within the network based on the number of transactions performed. So we'll go through it in a different video. Trustless. A blockchain is often referred to be a trustless system because the two entities or more entities that are performing a smart contract do not necessarily need to trust each other. The elimination of the trust itself from the transaction leads to the name trustless for blockchain. Testnet. Example, Goerli, Sepolia. These are the two testnets as of 2023. A staging or a playground blockchain environment where you can run your smart contracts, validate it before you decide to put it in production. Mainnet, a production version of a blockchain environment like Ethereum mainnet. In Infura, when we go there, you saw there is mainnet, which is Ethereum mainnet, because it's running on Ethereum, and then you have Goerli and Sepolia. Next, Ganache, the desktop application that can offer support for Ethereum smart contract development. So what it means is, if you have a team of 100 developers developing decentralized applications on blockchain, you can install Ganache. That means you will have your own Ethereum testnet environment. You can test your smart contracts and applications there before you deploy on the Ethereum production mainnet. Token type ERC20. So there are two token types at a broad level, ERC20 and ERC721. So ERC20 is a fungible token. That means coins, tokens that are created on blockchain. So ERC20 is a fungible token which is defined by a series of functions. So there is a standard ERC20 functions that needs to be supported in order to adhere to that framework. The reason they are known as fungible because there are plenty of the tokens, like there are many tokens of the same thing. So for example, if you have a dollar bill, $1 bill, there could be millions and billions of $1 bills which carry the same dollar value. So even though a billion $1 bills are tokens, it doesn't matter if I have one bill versus another because they have the same value. However, 721 ERC protocol is non-fungible. Example, I have a painting of Mona Lisa, or I have a very unique piece of art that is not replicable, that is not duplicatable, it's not fungible, not interchangeable. So a unique piece of art, a unique key. If I have a dollar bill and I get it signed by Elon Musk or Bill Gates, that unique signed dollar bill becomes a non-fungible token because if I exchange it with a different dollar bill, it may not have the same value because one of the dollar bills has those signatures from Elon Musk or Bill Gates, but the other bill may or may not have, right? So a fungible token which exists in plenty and they are interchangeable with the same value, while non-fungible tokens or NFTs are also smart contracts that have a unique identity, unique value, like piece of art, digital key, signed photographs, documents, and stuff like that. Moving on, Geth, also known as Go Ethereum. It is the Ethereum client that we spoke about that will connect your computer or a server as a node to the Ethereum network. Geth is what you would need in order to get onto the Ethereum network, open source, publicly available, and start staking or mining cryptos, right? dApp, decentralized application, a software application that is written on a decentralized infrastructure or a decentralized database, such as a blockchain, which does not rely on a centralized architecture. This is a decentralized app, like a Uniswap or a QuickSwap. The exchanges are decentralized applications, are an example of a decentralized application. A wallet, a digital wallet or a purse that holds all of your coins, cryptos, tokens. Example, MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallet. There are a lot of wallet service providers out there, MetaMask being the top, right? Wallet also happens to be an address on a blockchain. So wallet is a blockchain address that acts as a purse or a wallet that holds coins, cryptos, your tokens that you do. Next, NFTs. As discussed, NFTs are ERC71 smart contracts that has a property of non-exchangeable. Example, piece of art. IPFS, Interplanetary File System, is a P2P, peer-to-peer protocol for storing and sharing data in a distributed file environment. Each file is uniquely identified by content addressing URI in a global namespace. And you can use this for your smart contracts for generating NFTs. Proof of work is a consensus mechanism, a protocol on blockchain where miners solve a cryptographic puzzle. A successful miner is the one who beats other to find the hash of the last recorded block. Now, by the way, I have a full video dedicated for proof of work and proof of stake. Please look at the description section below. Proof of stake is another consensus protocol or mechanism where stakers stake their own cryptocurrencies for validation of a transaction. So Ethereum before September of 2022 was on proof of work consensus mechanism, where there was a lot of wastage of computer power. Why? For that, look at my other videos. I explain why the computer power is wasted in proof of work. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and others are still proof of work. Proof of stake is now Ethereum, Solana, and other blockchain. The new blockchains are mostly on proof of stake. And here, the wastage of the power and the resources is eliminated. Again, these are some of the words that you need to be aware of in order to get accustomed to blockchain. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.